Hey everyone, Leah here from Printify. You've most likely already connected your Wix store to Printify and now you need to tackle setting up shipping. Well, that's what we're going to show you how to do today. To start off, we recommend choosing between two shipping options for your Wix store: free shipping or shipping rates by product. What's the difference? Glad you asked. Free shipping is a good option if you expect most of your customers to be in one area or country, like in the US, for example. The idea here is to include the shipping fee within the retail price of your product. That is, your products will appear to have free shipping when really the shipping price will already be included in the final amount the customer will be paying. It might seem sneaky, but the final price is the same, and many customers prefer to see the full amount without being surprised by shipping costs being added to the bill when they check out. Alternatively, you can set up shipping rates by product for those of you looking for more shipping destinations and a more long-term solution. This means you'll group similar products together and assign a flat rate to each group. Let's see how to enable free shipping first. Navigate to Settings in your Wix account. Find E-commerce and Finance, then Shipping and Fulfillment. Wix stores come with two regions already added, one for your own country labeled Domestic and one for Rest of the World labeled International. But because there are such big differences in shipping rates between countries, we recommend disabling all other destinations. Note that this means that customers from those countries won't be able to check out in your store. And that's it for free shipping. Let's look at how to set up shipping rates by product now. Typically, merchants based in the US will add at least 3 shipping regions: Domestic, Canada, and International. Let's add Canada to our shipping regions. From the Shipping and Fulfillment page, go to Add Region. Add the destination, and then save. You'll see that Canada was added to our shipping regions. Click on Edit Shipping Rule next to a region to change the shipping based on different rules. We'll use the Rate by Product option to group similar products together and assign a flat rate to each. Then click on Manage Product Groups. Create groups based on similar product types and assign your products to these groups. You can use the default group as one of the groups, just make sure to rename it. Any new products will be automatically added to the default group, and if necessary, you'll need to manually assign them to a different group. I'm now going to create a new group for my mugs. And then I'll add the rest of the mugs. When you're finished, click Done. Now the products are divided into groups and we can set flat rates for each group and region based on Printify's shipping rates. If you're selling products of the same type but that are fulfilled by different print providers, the shipping rates will probably be slightly different. We suggest using the average of each as your rate. Now name your shipping option. Once you're finished, go ahead and save. And now repeat the same steps for all of your regions. Lastly, put your shipping settings to the test by logging out of your Wix account, navigating to your storefront, and putting some products in the shopping cart to check the rates. In summary, free shipping is a quick, simple setup if your customers are mostly in one region. Flat rates are a better option if you'd like to have more shipping regions or can group similar products by type. You're now another step closer to generating those sales. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below and make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.